Now we're going to see how to display links on an HTML file. So we saw many times when we are navigating on the internet, like for example in Google, that we have links that if we hover with our mouse, we see that these are highlighted, the mouse cursor change, and when we click on the link, we are redirected to another web page or another part of the same web page or another website and so on. To do this, we are going to use the opening and closing tags A, which stands for anchor, and between these two we have a text, and then inside we have, you can see some attributes. The first and most important one is the href, which means reference, hyperlinks reference, which is the actual URL that if the user clicks on the string here in the inner HTML or inner text of the anchor element, then as an effect is that the user is redirected to this website or web page. Okay, so I'm gonna see this example. Okay, click following link. Okay, here we are. I can click on this and redirect it to this website. Okay, now what is important, I already saw it here, self. Here, what is this? Target. Target means where I am redirected. Here, self underscore self means that I stay on the same page as we were here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this. If I click on the link, you see I stay on the same tab. I don't move the page. But here we have other links, and the first one opens on a new page, so underscore blank, underscore self we saw, open in the same page or in self, underscore parent opens in parent page, and this one opens in body top. Okay, and top goes inside the page itself. Okay, so I'm going to see what happened. Here we are opening in new. Okay, we cannot reach this page. I'll show you later how to do this. Okay, here this one, open in self, that means it's going to the same. Open in parent, and then in the body itself. Okay, so these are the attributes target. Okay, now continue with the links. We can see that if we have, like in the previous example, reference, relative reference, which are basically related to this website, so www.tutorialnespoint.com/html and so on, this is not considered unless here at the top, the head section, so between the opening and closing tag head, I have this one, base, which is an opening and closing tag, because there's the closure here, base, or even no, base, and attribute href, and this is the website. So here I'm going to be redirected on this subdirectory and this file of this domain. So I'm going to launch the second example. Now I click on this. As you can see, I'm redirected to this page. Then I go back, and the last part is this one. I can have a reference inside my document. Here, for example, I can put here this anchor here, and I call it top. And another part, I can have another anchor which redirects with hash, so name of the page, hash character top. So if I click on this one on the HTML page, I'm redirected exactly to this point. So the page will go. So you know there are some navigation website, if you click here to go to the top, you click and then automatically redirected to the top. So I stay on the same page, but I am redirected in different position on the same page, and I use this. So this was an overview of links, text links, let's say.